Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to connect your Garmin device directly with TrainingPeaks using the very latest 2025 methods. This setup is fantastic for anyone wanting all their training data in one place automatically. It makes analyzing your performance and following your coaching plans incredibly smooth. Let's get your devices talking to each other. Before we jump into the connection process, let's do a quick check to make sure everything's ready. First, double-check that your Garmin Connect account is active and that your device is syncing correctly there. Then, ensure you have an active TrainingPeaks account. It's also super helpful to have both your Garmin and TrainingPeaks login credentials handy. This helps everything go smoothly right from the start. All right, let's get these connected. Open your web browser and log into your TrainingPeaks account. Once you're in, look for your user profile or settings icon, usually in the top right corner. From there, you'll want to find a section labeled Apps, Connections, or Integrations. Select Garmin Connect from the list of available applications. You'll then be prompted to authorize the connection through Garmin's portal. Just follow the on-screen instructions there. Once you've authorized the connection, it's time to confirm everything is working perfectly. The best way to do this is to complete a short activity with your Garmin device. It could be a walk or a quick run. After the activity syncs to Garmin Connect, refresh your TrainingPeaks calendar. You should see your new workout appear there automatically, complete with all your performance data. This ensures your hard-earned stats are where they need to be. What if it doesn't work right away? No worries, sometimes a quick troubleshoot helps. First, try disconnecting Garmin within TrainingPeaks, then reauthorize the connection. Also, make sure your Garmin device has a good Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection to sync to Garmin Connect. Keep in mind, this connection mainly syncs new activities. Past workouts typically need to be uploaded manually. With these steps, your training journey should now be seamlessly tracked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.